Our eye is the lamp of our body. When our eye is healthy, our whole body is full of light, but when it is bad, our body is full of darkness. Eyes are designed for seeing. Eyes are often associated with light, watchfulness, and understanding. In this video, let us see some random fun facts about our eyes. We see with our brain, not with our eyes. Our eyes are highly dependent on the brain to interpret what we see. Our brain controls what we see as it combines images. In order to see, our eyes must be connected to our brain. When our eyes, that is the retina, sees an image, more than 1 million nerve fibers are required to carry the image to our brain for processing. We see images upside down. Yes, we see images upside down. It is the brain that turns the image right side up. This reversal of images that we see is much like a mirror in a camera. Eyes develop during the 3rd week after conception. During the 5th week of pregnancy or the 3rd week of conception, the eyes begin to develop. Just 6 weeks after conception, the eyes become obvious. During the 7th week of conception, the eyelids form. Eyes heal quickly. A scratch in the cornea of our eye takes about 24 to 48 hours to totally disappear or heal. The cornea that covers the front of our eye is composed of several layers of membranes. The scratches or cuts involving the top layer, surface epithelium, heals quickly without causing vision problems. However, deeper cuts are likely to interfere with normal vision. Our eyes can reveal underlying health problems. The arrangement of blood vessels in our eye is closely related to the health of our heart. That means problems detected in our eye can be directly linked to health problem with the heart. If the vein of our eye is a lot bigger and arteries are a lot smaller, this could be evidence of cardiovascular issues or high blood pressure. If a small clot is detected in our eye, it could have traveled from the heart. These clots may or may not affect our vision. However, presence of these clots may help discover blocked arteries, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.